Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of amazing prefab homes, design ideas, and latest trends in prefab homes and advantages of this innovative housing option. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Prefabricated homes, or prefab homes, have been gaining popularity in recent years as a solution to the challenges of traditional home construction. These homes are built in a factory and then transported to the final location where they are assembled. They come in a variety of styles and sizes, making them a versatile option for homeowners. In this video, we will explore the meaning of prefab homes design, the benefits of choosing a prefab home, the best materials to use, the price range, and dimensions of these homes. We will also provide a list of the top 10 prefab homes design ideas. What is prefab homes design? Prefab homes are designed to be manufactured off-site and then transported to the final location where they are assembled. The design of prefab homes is different from traditional homes as it has to take into account transportation and assembly. The design process is more streamlined, and the homes can be customized to meet the specific needs of the homeowner. Why prefab is better? There are several advantages to choosing a prefab home over a traditional home. First, prefab homes can be built much faster than traditional homes. Since the construction takes place in a factory, weather delays are eliminated, and the home can be assembled on-site in a matter of days. Second, prefab homes are more energy efficient. The design process incorporates the latest in energy-efficient technology, resulting in lower utility bills for the homeowner. Third, prefab homes are more cost-effective. The streamlined construction process reduces labor costs, and the factory production reduces material waste. Finally, prefab homes are more customizable. The homeowner can choose from a variety of designs and finishes to create a home that meets their specific needs. What is the best material for prefabricated houses? There are several materials that can be used to build a prefab home, including wood, steel, and concrete. Each material has its advantages and disadvantages. Wood is a popular choice as it is renewable, easy to work with, and has good insulation properties. Steel is a strong and durable material that is resistant to fire and insects. Concrete is also a strong and durable material that is energy efficient and requires minimal maintenance. What is the price of prefab house? The price of a prefab house varies depending on several factors, including the size of the home, the materials used, and the level of customization. The average cost of a prefab home in the United States ranges from $50,000 to $300,000. However, the cost can go higher if the homeowner chooses high-end finishes or requires a larger home. What are the dimensions of prefab homes? The dimensions of a prefab home can vary depending on the needs of the homeowner. The size of the home can range from a small studio to a large family home. The average size of a prefab home in the United States is around 1,200 square feet, but some homes can be as large as 3,000 square feet. And here, these the top 10 prefab homes design ideas. 1. Modern minimalist prefab homes. 2. Scandinavian-style prefab homes. 3. Rustic cabin prefab homes. 4. Eco-friendly prefab homes. 5. Contemporary prefab homes. 6. Tiny house prefab homes. 7. Mid-century modern prefab homes. 8. Beach house prefab homes. 9. Industrial chic prefab homes. 10. Traditional prefab homes. Prefab homes are the future of home design. With their customizable designs, energy-efficient technology, and cost-effective construction process, they offer homeowners a versatile and innovative housing option. Whether you are looking for a small studio or a large family home, prefab homes offer a variety of sizes and styles that can suit any lifestyle. By choosing a prefab home, you are investing in a home that is not only sustainable but also provides a comfortable and functional living space. The prefab homes are a viable option for homeowners who are looking for a home that is efficient, customizable, and affordable. With a wide range of designs and materials to choose from, homeowners can create a home that is tailored to their specific needs and preferences. From the modern minimalist to the traditional, prefab homes offer a variety of styles that can suit any taste. So if you are looking to build your dream home, consider prefab homes as your next housing option. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing prefab homes design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.